Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, we have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So as you can see, all I have to do is dive into promos.com and fairfiction.com, surveytime.eo, metroopinion.com, and finally appen.com. So these 5 jobs can help you to get money with internet. First, we have promos. So in the middle here, we have earn money, make an impact, share your knowledge and insight to help businesses and communities make better decisions. So how it works? First of all, you have to create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free and create an account choosing your email address to join the Promos contributor community. Then you explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Finally, we get paid. Choose the options to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. So these steps is for promos to get money. So all I have to do is start earning money with promos. It's very easy to earn money. Then we have Fairfiction. All you have to do is dive into fairfiction.com. This is the homepage. Here we have a first information like we have here a phone number, we have email, we have also other things like services, we have customer knowledge, UX audit, and we have our UX methods, we have user review and other things, customers, we have first things, users also, and we have your login if you want to find account. Then other information like UX research, consulting for your research, and user testing anywhere in the world. Then we have your UX research in a few days, qualitative or quantitative study with support according to your needs. First, we have to write, recruit, conduct the study, and finally recommend. And also we have here user experience benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, design, and you have to download our latest white papers. All I have to do is click over here and access to white papers. Here we have also USA best prices and UX trends, measuring UX performance, and we have here China. And also we have here Lacoste, Credit Agricole, Bouygues Telecom Enterprise. You can just read the customer case to more understand. Also we have here our full demo in video. Go directly to platform overview first, then user feedback and analytics, and finally UX recommendation. Our UX research and testing methodologies: first we have individual interview, then focus group, quantitative survey, and finally remote user test. We have also other information like using remote testing via our user research platform. We can listen to users anywhere in the world. And here we have also our technology and expertise for UX. First, we have a unique UX resource platform available in 8 languages and a team of experts in UX research and UX design. Then we have the third one is survey time. So surveytime.eo, this is the homepage. In the left, we have get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete, paid surveys on demand, and we have here a video show how it works. Welcome to survey time, and we have here also comments. This is one of the best survey sites I have come across, which I enjoy a lot. And we have other information like the nice app shows you so many interests, and we have here how to sign up. First, you can use Google, Facebook, or email. Here you can select the language you want and get started to sign up. You can choose your email, write your email, and then enter your password. If we scroll down, we have here how does survey time work. First, if you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you are reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First, you have to sign up for survey time for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So here we have benefits of survey time. First, we have low withdrawal threshold surveys for you, then never miss a new surveys, then bonus rebate amount, and choose your reward, and finally survey time is global. Here we have important note about survey time, where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. So if you want to sign up, we'll have to just click over here and start earning money with survey time. Then we have the fourth one is Metro Opinion. As you can see, this is the home page. First of all, you can get up to $5 for each survey, and it's safe and easy payment. We have here block, home, and choose country. So for choosing country, all you have to do is click over choose country. Here we have Europe, we have a various things like Spain and Ukraine, United Kingdom, Turkey, and we have a first thing. Also, we have Oceania, Australia, and New Zealand. Africa, we have Cote d'Ivoire, Egypt, Asia also, have North America, South of America also. Then you have here how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then answer, and get paid in the final. Here we have how to earn money online. It's easy with Major Opinion. Payment for survey, it's easy. So you can just get your payment by PayPal or voucher or donations. Here we have work from home by doing surveys. How much can you earn by working from home? Answer surveys on desktop, tablet, or smartphone. And here we have how to earn money on surveys. Side or online part-time job, easy job for students to earn money, additional income for the elderly, and finally we have the best paid surveys. And then you can just sign up here and get started. The last one is Appen. So Appen has been providing high quality data sets that power the world's leading AI models for decades. Our end-to-end platform, flexible services, and deep expertise ensure the delivery of the high quality diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and enterprise-ready AI applications. So to get started, all I have to do is click over here. Then we have advanced information like Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. Also, we have here Appen supports the AI lifecycle. First, create the right data, prepare usable, train data, develop and deploy your models, and finally evaluate model performance. So here we have also the benefits of Appen. First, expertise, scale, quality, flexibility, and innovation. So embracing work from home opportunities can be a game changer, especially for introverts seeking a peaceful, independent work environment. By exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistants, and online tutoring, you can unlock your earning potential without sacrificing your comfort. This job not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is it for these 5 jobs to earn money on internet. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.